So last year, I already used part of the rent to celebrate Dirty December. So the remaining 200k, I kept it. That was going to add money to complete the rent. So when my birthday showed up, I decided to use it to celebrate my birthday party.
Hey!
The landlord kicked me out of the house.
Going to Nigeria first class tomorrow.
How can you even organize a birthday party with over 200k when you don't have a job, you don't have a business, and you're even owing me some money? Now, I don't even have food to eat. I'm just trying to no money, nothing. Was it even necessary? I mean, the most important thing on your birthday is saying thanks to God. He's not going to take your life simply because you didn't do a party. You know this dirty 30 now. It's not something that comes all the time. I just said let me do it once and for all.
This is what you want to use your life for.
But my dad has promised to send me money next month. I'll use it to pay for the rent. It's okay. You can stay with me for the next 4 months. I mean, with the little I have, we can manage. Okay? Thank you so much. Please, do you have somewhere very secured for this luggage? Because it's very expensive and I have very expensive designer shoes and clothes in this bag. Come with me. Let me show you where to drop your things. Please be careful with the luggage. It's very expensive. Surprise! I got myself a new phone. The latest iPhone. Take a look at this. I hope that's not the money for your rent. Yeah, my dad finally sent the money.
Hey! I
don't know what to say to you anymore. Even if you decided not to pay for that rent, but choose to use that money for something reasonable, like doing one of the business ideas I shared with you that you can start with a little capital, or decide to use the money to learn a skill, something reasonable, at least you won't have to be asking everyone for money. I really had mad fun shopping today. Marshall said he wanted to make up my birthday party since he wasn't there, so he took me out. First of all, we went to a very expensive restaurant, Minister of Enjoyment. And then he took me out to a shopping center and said I should take anything worth 300k. So I took this.
Hey!
30k. Took a day pair 50k. Night pair 50k. And I took this designer's belts 30k. Designer skin tights 50k. Designer skirts 50k. And then I bought my body scrub from Intraline Beauty. And then I took this designer sunshade. This is Celebrity Sunshade. Even Tiwa Savage has exactly the same one. Rihanna has exactly the same sunshade. So finally, this. Oh, he really tried. So how much do you have left? Well, not really. Everything here is approximately 290k, so the remaining 10k he gave it to me and I used it to pay for my car. Wait, you exhausted the whole 200k?
Oh my days, you will move out of this house.
Well, I'm tired and I'm getting hungry already. So what do we have for dinner? Dinner with which money? Babes, calm down. I know you've tried. I'll pay you everything I owe you by next month. I'm expecting money. Just find me 200 bucks. Let me buy noodles and eggs. Please, I'll pay you next month. You know what? This evening, just drink your night. Hi guys, thank you for watching that video. Whenever you're opportune to get help from someone, especially when they're willing to give you something reasonable, always go for something that will add value to you, something that will make you independent, be it learning a skill or starting a very little business. No matter how nice someone is, no matter how close they are to you, someday they'll get tired of helping you if you're not moving, if you're not growing. So you should always set your priorities right. I'm sharing some wonderful business ideas on my YouTube channel, businesses you can start with a very little capital. The most important thing is having a sustainable source of income. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crystal Marshall. Thank you very much. Bye bye.